Welcome, Generational Wealth. In this video, we will go over the in and outs of TradingView. So first, you want to go to Google and type in TradingView. From there on, it should bring you to their website. From here, you need to create a free account. That's right, create a free account with TradingView. So once you create that free account, and anytime you log into TradingView website, it will bring you to this screen. And from this screen, you'll come right here where it says ticker. In the search column, you'll type in any currency pair. And from that currency pair, it will bring up a chart. Also, you could just go right here after you've made that free account and just launch your chart. So let's go see what that looks like. From here, once you create your free TradingView account and sign into any currency pair, which I'm currently on the Great Britain pound, US dollar, then you can begin what we call charting up your technical analysis. So let's begin. In the left-hand corner here, is where you can type in any currency pair. From there, you'll have your time frames. So we're currently on the 1 hour. That's right here in blue. So that means each one of these green and red candlesticks represents 1 hour of activity. And we could change it to the 15-minute, 4 hour. We can even go to the daily, the weekly, or the monthly. Then again, each candlestick now represents 1 month of activity. From there, you also can change your candlesticks to bars or to lines or etc. Renko, I believe you have to have a paid TradingView account to get Renko and these other ones. So let's go back to candlesticks. Now, up here at the left, you have your indicators and strategies. Now, I'm pretty sure at this point, you guys are familiar with different or heard of different indicators, as well as the RSI, the MACD, the Bollinger Band, the stochastics, and many more. Also, up here, you have alerts, where you can actually set an alert before a trade reaches a certain price to remind you that your trade setup is ready. Also here, you have your ask and bid price for each currency pair. And then next to alert, you have your replay button. Now, if we click the replay button, we can click anywhere on the screen. There we go. Bring up this red line here. Click anywhere, and then we'll chop that off. Boom, just like that. So now, the replay button comes very in handy when you're back testing a strategy or back testing market structure. So remember, back testing is like studying the market. And from there, once you hit that replay, you'll see this box pop up here. And you can play, just speed it up, slow it down, etc. We'll just go ahead and let it play. Watch this big drop. Sweet, right? You can literally just sit there and back test your strategy and market structure over and over. So down here, so you see me click here, where you can zoom out and zoom in. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to 1 hour. Where you can zoom out and zoom in on the price. As well as scoot the market over just a tad bit to the left or to the right. And this one will reset your defaults all the way back to where price is currently at, to normal settings. Over here on the right-hand side is what we call a watch list, where it'll let you add symbols and add other currency pairs to a list where you can maintain and draw each chart, etc. Now, if you see right here where the numbers are located, this is your price action. The blue line represents where price is currently at. Over to the left is your tools. The first one you get is your mouse, which I like to keep on the crosshairs because it helps me with lining up the price. Next, you have your trend lines, your vertical lines, your horizontal lines, your arrows. Then you have more strategies, pitchforks, Fibonacci retracements. This one here used to be my baby, Fibonacci. Used to love it, Fibonacci. As well as your rectangles and etc. Down here, we also have which we call a measuring stick, where you can measure price and calculate your pips. So let's say we have a lot of stuff we're drawing on our charts. And now we're to the point we're ready to erase. Right down here on the left-hand side is your trash can. Once you hit this, it'll erase everything off all drawing tools off of your screen, off of your chart. Now, down here at the bottom, if you see my cursor, you can see that the day is changing as well as the time, from July all the way to August. Now, if you left click, and at the bottom go to properties, now you can change your candlesticks to whatever colors you want them to look like, blue and green, or that's blue and yellow. Let's want that. You can also change the wicks. You can change the background. And right here, where it says time zone sessions, is where you put the session breaks. Now, what the session breaks are, each session breaks represents 1 day of activity. So each one of these session breaks represents 1 day of activity. And then again, left click, and that's properties, right under time zones, session breaks. Turn them on, turn them off. And I highly recommend using your session breaks. So now you get to the point you can have fun. You can change your backgrounds. You can change your candlestick colors, and you're ready to start drawing up your own charts. Also, in the right-hand corner down here is where you can publish your idea. We're not going to do it at this point, but what you do is you publish your idea, and from there you can trade it with anyone. Trade it with anyone. So from there on, this will conclude the video today. Thank you.